my previously uncovered back patio into a screened-in kind of three-season room using a lot of reclaimed wood and rough-cut wood from lumber yards. Excited to finish off here with SNAPP screening products, and I think you're very happy with the result, as I can be as well.
My 10-inch chop saw, small 10-inch chop saw. I used a Diablo metal cutting blade, cut through the extrusions just fine. A little pro tip to remember your safety glasses because those metal chips do fly. I pre-drilled the screw holes 1 inch in from each end, and then every 12 inches. Probably could have used a better bit. Mine was a little dull. I mounted everything using the standard SNAPP screen mounting screws. Like everyone else, I had to tape that square bit into the holder. Installing the screen was a bit of a challenge at first, but I got the hang of it pretty quickly. Even the end triangles went in easily. It's honestly pretty amazing how the screen self-tightens as you roll the spline into place. I did have a helper, and we completed the project in an afternoon. I'm confident I could have completed it in probably a little over a day, one day by myself, to be honest. Don't worry about gaps underneath the knee wall. I did that on purpose. I added a light foam barrier to allow water to escape and stop bugs from coming in, but that was part of my design process, to be honest. This project came out great. SNAPP screen is everything that it claimed it was. Ordering was super simple, delivery was unbelievably fast, and installation wasn't really a challenge. It truly wasn't. The installation photos and footage were taken the day of screen installation. The final finished project footage was taken almost 2 years later. The screens still look great, and I'll be honest, I have had to do virtually nothing to them other than I'm in a high pollen area. So I'll use my regular garden hose with just the, spraying nozzle, and I spray out some pollen that sticks to the screen a little bit. That's it. I have not had to do any other maintenance to it to tighten them up, or there's no sagging, no issues whatsoever. I wish every screen in my house was like this, because all my screen doors between a couple kids and dogs, I have to readjust and put new spline in, I don't know, probably once a month, to be honest. But great product, couldn't recommend it more. Awesome process in general.